fastened. Whenever you are seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on, please open the baggage racks carefully as objects may fall out. As soon as we have reached our cruising altitude, we will start with our service. Therefore, we invite our guests traveling in Swiss economy to have a look at the Swiss Travel menu card in your seat pocket. Later on, you have the opportunity to buy selected products from our Swiss duty-free shop. Please note that we only accept card or contactless payments on board. If you have any questions or requests, please do not